So, as we all know, as all the devotees know, now we are assembled in the one of the holiest places, most auspicious, divine birthsite, birthplace of Jagadguru Paramahansa Kula Churamani Ananta Vibhushita Acharya Bhat Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada. I repeat, we are now present, we are now blessed with being the holiest birthsite, site of this divine, the appearance of Paramaradha Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada. So, we all must humbly be begging, praying for His divine grace, divine mercy to be bestowed upon me, upon all of you, be bestowed, showered on all of us. So, this is the residence of Sir Thakur Bhakti Vinod in this Puri Dham. I repeat, this was the holy residence of Satchidananda Thakur Sri Bhakti Vinod in this Puri, nearby, close by Jagannath temple. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur was the then special caretaker of the Jagannath temple. Thakur Srila Bhaktivinoda was holding very high class government officer's position of the high class government officer, and one of his essential important duties was to nicely take care of the Jagannath temple management, helping the management to go on very nicely. So using all his high-class administrative powers, so Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to take care of the Jagannath temple management and other services, supervise very nicely, besides other managers of the Jagannath temple. So naturally, he used to live here with his family. Then at some point, Jagadguru Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada appeared here, took his divine birth from his glorious parents, Thakur Srila Bhakti Vinod and Mata Bhagavati Devi. So, thus, this place has become very significant, spiritually significant for all of us, Gaudiya Vaishnavas, followers of Lord Chaitanya, and also many other devotees of the Supreme Lord. Since this place has been imbued with the memories, filled with the divine memories of living pure devotees such as Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Mata Bhagavati Devi, then child Prabhupada, Vimala Prasad Ji, and also other family members. So we all know the true story that during the Ratha Yatra ceremony, after Vimala Prasad ji was born, I mean child Prabhupada. So, at some point, Jagannath Ratha Yatra took place. So, during the time of Jagannath Ratha Yatra, chariot coming forward, that Jagannath Dev's chariot simply stopped here without any reason, without any known reason to the devotees, just stopped here. Devotees, the puller of the chariots could not move it anymore. There was some miraculous event. Wonderful, miraculous event. It happened in past also. Still happens, present time. It will be happening like that in future. That Lord Jagannath, time to time, moves by his own sweet will. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, their chariots move by their own sweet will from time to time. Other times by the will of the chariot pullers, devotees. But time to time by his own will, and devotees need to follow. So, it so happened while Sri Jagannath's Ratha was passing by this birth site of Srila Prabhupada, then all of a sudden stopped. And then what happened? Naturally, during that time, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur was out in front of the gate, to see Lord Jagannath in chariot, to have darshan of Jagannath in Ratha Yatra. And then was carrying child Prabhupada, carrying child Vimala Prasad in his lap. And Vimala Prasad from his own lap, Vimala Prasad was expanding his arms to touch Jagannath. Jagannath, Bhaktivinoda Thakur went very close to the Ratha. He was a powerful administrator, so he had that natural facility, that advantage. So he went very close to Jagannath and Ratha, and child Vimala Prasad from child Prabhupada just touched the Ratha, right? Extending his arms forward as he touched the Ratha. And thereafter, as soon as devotees tried to pull Jagannath's Ratha, started moving forward. So it was obvious to many assembled devotees over there, or it was obvious to at least some selected devotees over there, that something happening miraculous. Something is happening, some wonderful, miraculous. So then, as soon as the child Safarshri Thakur Prabhupada touched the Jagannath Deva Ratha from the lap of, while being carried right in the lap of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and thereafter, as the devotee tried to pull Ratha started easily moving. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur noticed that. In particular, he already knew. It was then doubly confirmed to him that now he has got a child, no ordinary. Now he has received a child that of extraordinary nature. It's Vimala Prasad. Something must happen wonderful. Some wonderful spiritual wealth, treasure must be manifesting through this child, through this my sweet child in future. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur felt about that. Thakur Srila Bhaktivinoda felt about that, felt into that reality through his spontaneous feelings and some sort of mental vision. Then, today everyone was rejoicing the Ratha Yatra ceremony. Thakur Srila Bhaktivinoda he also made very special arrangement for worshipping, for adoring Sri Jagannath Dev, Subhadra, Baladev, Sudarshan in his residence in a more homely manner. Okay. Or outside, so much festivity of Ratha Yatra ceremony going on in this way. But Thakur Srila Bhaktivinoda, he could sense from the beginning that he received a wonderful child. It was also known. There's also another story. We heard from Guru Bhagavad. When Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada was born from mother's womb, the umbilical cord was so situated on his form, on his body, that it was positioned like wearing upabit. The umbilical cord was looking like kind of, he was wearing it in the style of upabita. So it was heard from Mata Bhagavata, some family member, heard from those family members of Thakur Bhaktivinoda of Prabhupada. Anyway, the Prabhupada started to grow up in Puri Dham. And later on, they all went to Navadvip Dham, they settled there, but Bhaktivinoda Thakur's own parents' residence were in Veernagar, nearby Shantipura. So anyway, so Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada was born and brought up to a certain point of his age. He grew up here, a certain stage of his boyhood. So thus, the child Prabhupada grew up here under the gracious guidance of Lord Jagannath Dev, under the center of Sri Jagannath Dev, Jagannath Subhadra Baladev in this Puri Dham. Our Guru Bhagavad explained it. There was a declaration in the Vedic time, Vedic declaration, as Jutkale Purushottama, Siddhakare Rapurusha, Jutkale Purushottama, that something most wonderful of higher magnanimity will be happening from this Utkala, land of Utkala, land of Odisha, specifically land of Puri. Many realized devotees, exalted, realized devotees felt that such prediction was actually meaning also towards the divine appearance, meaning the divine appearance of Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada here. Well, some other saintly people, some other saintly persons would feel that some other wonderful things also happen from this land of color. So Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada's appearance was not just one meaning, not the only meaning of that verse. Okay, so that's okay, all right. Okay. But many of the realized Gauriya Vaishnavas felt it. Okay, those who became associates, who manifested as the associates of Sri Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, felt about it, including Sri Bhaktivinoda Thakur, that verse, that predictive announcement, in other words, that prediction from the Vedic time was also actually meant for the appearance of Sri Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada in Puri. At least one of the essential meanings of that verse, and that was proven later on. Such prediction came true later on when it was found out it was none other than Sri Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada who started to propagate, to spread, to propound the divine message of Lord Chaitanya, Radha Krishna. I repeat, spreading the divine message of Lord Chaitanya, Krishna Chandra, all over India, all over non-divided India at that time, and also he ventured. He also began spreading Mahaprabhu's Bani also to the Western European countries. He just initiated that. Began to also send the message, extend, spread the message of Mahaprabhu in the European countries. And later he had aim also to cover, other Western countries like America and all. And that's what he fulfilled through one of our great, glorious Gurudevas, Sri Abhay Charanarovinda Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Goswamiji Maharaj, Sant Prabhupada Maharaj. So Srila Prabhupada, Saraswati Thakur was the initiator, was the origin, you can say, original caretaker of that worldwide preaching movement. Worldwide preaching movement of Krishna consciousness. Radha Krishna consciousness, Sri Gauranga consciousness, Lord Chaitanya consciousness. Actually, Sri Abhay Charanarovinda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada Maharaj. He went out, he just went abroad, taking the divine instruction, respectfully carrying the divine instruction of his Gurudev Sri Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada on his head, and with deep faith and courage, divine power holding in his heart, that after all, his Gurudeva, his beloved Gurudeva, instructed him, ordered him to go out to the Western country and start preaching Krishna consciousness, preaching divine message, precepts of Lord Gaurahari, divine Krishna consciousness all over. So he had that so much power in him. He felt, after all, I was going to realize, I was going to realistically do this service, great service to my Guru Maharaj, Radharani Krishna Mahaprabhu, through my Guru Maharaj. Okay. Now, so he was very, very happy, and he felt a very, very special inspiration, empowered inspiration, okay, to do that service. But behind that inspiration, who was there? Who was behind that powerful inspiration, divine inspiration? It was Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, our Parama Gurudeva, his beloved Gurudeva. So back to the point. So that prediction through that verse, Jutkale Purushottama, something most wonderful, transcendental event, transcendental things will be happening from this land of Utkala. All got realized. Now all came true in the life of the Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, in the activities of his divine life, through the examples that he established 64 Gaudiya Maths all over India, different parts of the India, including present Bangladesh. So it was a non-divided India at that time. So, and he began preaching abroad, preaching to the European, Western and European countries, where he was also looking towards also spreading Mahaprabhu's message on the Western countries like America and other countries. So, thus, something most wonderful, divine happenings manifested through him, through this exalted personality, the Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada. So devotees felt prediction through that verse, Jutkale Purushottama, got it. Now also fulfilled through Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada. Our Srila Abhay Charana Aravinda, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada Maharaj also glorified his Guru Pada Padma Srila Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada several times, saying, I came by his order, I came to do my special service to my Guru Maharaj by his order. Okay? So everything is fulfilled, all getting fulfilled by his mercy, by the power of his grace, mercy, through me. That I received special grace from his divine grace, the Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, my Guru Maharaj, and also Lord Krishna Srimati Radhika Mahaprabhu Nityananda Prabhu, to spread divine message of Krishna consciousness all over. Although he may not literally mean all the names, Mahaprabhu Nityananda together, but he definitely meant to his inner mood. He definitely accepted the fact there was mysterious grace of Lord Nityananda, Mahaprabhu Baladev, Radharani, he prayed to Radharani, to his poem, Radharani Krishna Chandra, and his Gurudev, Saraswati Prabhupada, all must be working in his favor, to empower him, to empower him specially to be doing such wonderful preaching activities only within 10 years, merely within 10 years. Therefore, Srila Guru Maharaj has mentioned about Shakya Vishwavata, meaning he was also empowered by the power of his Gurudev, the Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. He was empowered by the potency of Lord Nityananda, Baladeva, Krishna, also Deva, not different from Krishna and Radharani, the Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. The Guru Maharaj composed beautiful poems, poetry in his glorification, starting with Udita Patita Pavi, Sri Jagannath Pavan, Upachita Dharunam, Upachita Naramatra Dharunatha Prasadam, Udita Patita Pavi, Sri Jagannath Pavan, Upachita Naramatra Dharunatha Prasadam. Hari Viraha Mahartik Kshetra Sri Chaitanya Chittam Prabhupada Mihavandi Jato Satabdhu Prabhupada Mihavandi Jato Satabdhu. Guru Maharaj specifically wrote this poetry on occasion of the centenary celebration of Srila Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada's appearance in Jagannath Puri. The Guru Maharaj came all the way from Bengal to Jagannath. He came over to join the Prabhupada's centenary appearance day festival ceremony. So Guru Maharaj came. But I have to be sure whether Sri Guru Maharaj physically came to join over here. But he definitely wrote, requested by His Divine Grace, the Bhakti Dvaita Madhava Goswami Maharaj Ji. He wrote a very special poem, special poetry, describing the glories, narrating the glories of his Gurupada Padma, Sri Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, on occasion of divine centenary celebration of his appearance. And then after writing, he sent it out and it was all printed. I'm not going to explain the whole poetry. It will be taking so much time. And we all know, we are all familiar with the other wonderful poetries composed by Guru Maharaj with regard to Sri Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. What are those? You know. Prabhupada Padmastabaka, starting with Sridhanath Radhika Padu. Then, Sri Dvaita Dasa Pranati Panchakam, starting with Bhaya Bhanjana Jaya Samsam, Karunayata Nayana, Kanakod Kalajanakod Jal, Rasa Sagara Chayana, Mukhari Krita Dharani Jana, Hari Kirtana Rasana, Kiti Pavana Bhavataran, Pihitaruna Vasan, Subhadodaya Divasi, Vrisharabhijani Jadvaitam, Pranamami Chacharananti, Paricharaka Sahitam. That's the first stanza, first verse of Sri Dvaita Dasa Pranati Panchakam. He also composed Viraha Giti, starting with Niti Yashmin, Nishanti Nayana Jalavarishata Bhadrar Bhudana, Niti Yashmin Nishanti Nayana Jalavarishata Bhadrar Bhudana, Uchay Rutkroshatana Vishaka Vishutaya, Dhiraya Shri in this. So, thus the Guru Maharaj composed many beautiful poems, poetries in glorification, narration of the glories of His Divine Grace, Sri Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Also composed many beautiful verses in describing the glories of Sri Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. One of those verses. Kripaya Hari Kirtana Murti Dharam Dharani Bharahara Gaura Janam जनकाधिक वत्सल स्निग्धपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्. Many wonderful verses. रघुरूप सनातन कीर्तिधरम् धरणीतल कीर्तिता जीव कवि कविराज नरोत्तम सख्यपदम् प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्. कृपया हरिकीर्तन मूर्तिधरम् धरणी भरहारम् गौरजनम् जनकाधिक वत्सल स्निग्धपदम् जनकाधिक वत्सल स्निग्धपदम् प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्. रघुरूप सनातन Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur was a great messenger, great retainer, abode of divine messages and precepts of Sri Raghurupa, Sri Rupa Raghunatha, 6 Goswamis. I repeat, he was the great divine messenger, caretaker of the treasure of Siddhanta, invaluable treasures of Siddhanta of Sri Rupa Raghunatha Sanatana Goswami, Prabhu 6 Goswami, Prabhu Rupa Sanatana Kirti. And not only he was there, he himself followed in their holy footsteps, divine footsteps, in order to preach, propagate divine message of Lord Chaitanya all over this world. Dharani tala kirtita jiva Prabhu. Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada was also a great follower and an abode of the Siddhanta of Jiva Goswami Pada. Transcendental Siddhanta as propounded by Sri Jiva Goswami Prabhu, Rupa Raghunath Sanatana Goswami, Goswami, and he prayed that he took special initiative, made special, he did a very fulfilling endeavor to spread their divine messages, divine teachings all over India and also outside India, all over the world. Kaviraja Narottama Sakhyapadam Pranamami Sada Prabhupada. He was, the Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada was none other than some quality, some source of great happiness, so-called great happiness of Sri Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Prabhu, Narottam Das Thakur, like that, like those Mahavanas. I repeat, Kaviraja Narottama Sakhyapadam. He was a great source of happiness, great source of pleasure, pleasing activities, pleasing services, or most exalted divine associates of Lord Chaitanya, Radha Krishna, such as Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Narottam Das Thakur, and others. Because why they are all so happy, so much happy with Sri Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada? Because he sprayed, he propounded, he sprayed, he extended their nectarine divine messages, precepts, their teachings all over the world. While he himself followed it, he himself practiced their ways, their principles, everything. While he himself practiced them, also distributed that divine wealth all over India, all over the world. So it was a very pleasing service from his part towards his Guru Varga, such as Krishna Das, Kaviraj Goswami, Narottam Das Thakur, 6 Goswamis. That's how the Guru Maharaj not only felt, realized it, and put it into writing to narrate the glory, special glories of Saraswati Thakur. Namamami Sada Prabhupada Padam. The next verse, Kripaya Hari Kirtan Murti Dhara Dharani Bharahara Gaura Jana. As if Hari Kirtana itself kindly, mercifully appeared in the embodiment, in the form of my Gurudev, Sri Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. He was none other than, he has not been none other than the very embodiment, personification of Hari Kirtana Mahotsava, festival of Hari Kirtana in this Yuga. I repeat, Kripaya Hari Kirtana Murti. It has meanings both ways, both sweet ways. One is that Sri Hari Kirtana itself graciously appeared in the form of my Gurudeva Sri Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. In other words, he was the embodiment, no doubt, undoubtedly, he was the embodiment of the festival of Krishna Sankirtana. And Dharani Bharahara Gaura Janam. Thus, Dharani Bharahara Gaura Janam. Thus, this great Mahajana, this great Gauranga Jana, intimately beloved servitor, intimate associate servitor of Lord Gaura, appeared in this world and took away the burden, freed the Mother Earth from the burden of materialism. So he had that special mercy for the whole world, to take away some burdens of materialism and filled it with higher spiritual nectar of Krishna consciousness, filled it with divine nectar of Krishna consciousness. Thus so much divine benediction came from him. Thus he was such a magnanimous Savior, most benevolent, magnanimous Savior of the world. By His grace, by His mercy today we are tasting, we got some pure entrance into the divine world of Krishna consciousness according to our ability. But it all became so much possible originally by His divine grace. That was inner meaning also. Dharani Bharahara Gaurajanam Janakadhika Vatsala Snehapadam. Such abode, such shelter, such solace of our life, that we felt more from love, the quality of love and affection emanating from that shelter, received from that shelter, attained from that shelter, was much more than the level or standard quality of the affection and love from worldly parents, worldly father. Janakadhika Vatsala Snigdhapadam. We realized about our Guru Maharaj to be that divine shelter who was mercifully giving us, bestowing upon us so much love and affection, divine love and affection, which could not be compared to just the futile concept of love and affection of the material parents, which was so much more, so much transcending the quality of love and affection what we receive from our father and parents. Janakadhika Vatsala Snigdhapadam. Pranamami Sada Prabhupada Padam. Pranamami Sada Prabhupada Padam. I forever humbly pay my obeisance to the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada. I eternally, while I am singing, forever singing the divine glories of Srila Prabhupada, I repeat, while I am singing the divine glories of His divine grace, Srila Prabhupada, I also forever offer my loving, humble obeisance at the holy lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada, and embrace the nectar, always embrace the nectar, devotional nectar emanating from that shelter of His lotus feet, nectar of Radha Krishna Prema, emanating from that divine abode. Padam means also abode, divine shelter, solace, abode of my Gurudev Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Namamami Sada Prabhupada Padam. There is so much more to speak the glory. Time is limited. I can simply be continuing speaking the glories of Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Now hours for hours. Time is limited. So we are also going ahead to do our parikrama all around this Jagannatha temple. And now after taking the divine blessings, divine grace of Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada on our head, now we will be going forward towards Jagannatha temple to have our parikrama, that divine temple. Jai Jagat Guru Paramaradha Paramahamsa Kula Churamani Acharya Bhaskar Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada ki jai. Jai Paramahamsa Acharya Bhaskar Jagat Guru Paramaradha Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada ki jai. Saparsha Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki jai. समस्त गुरु वर्ग की जय, सपार्षद गुरुदेव की जय, सपार्षद समस्त गुरु वर्ग की जय, अनंत को वैष्णव वृंद की जय। श्री शिल प्रभुपादे शुभ आविर्भाव पीठ की जय। आविर्भाव पीठे सेवारत श्री श्री चैतन्य गौड़ीय मठ की जय। जय श्री चैतन्य गौड़ीय मठाधिष्ठात्री श्री विग्रहगण की जय। भुवन मंगल हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। जय गौर प्रेमानंद निकाय गौर प्रेमानंदी। डूइंग कीर्तन सुजनाथ पुराण। Briefly singing that kirtan. सुजनार्बुदराधित पादयुगं युगधर्मधुरन्धरु आश्रवरं। सुजनार्बुदराधित पादयुगं युगधर्मधुरन्धरु आश्रवरं। सुजनार्बुदराधित पादयुगं युगधर्मधुरन्धर पात्रवरं। सुजनार्बुदराधित पादयुगं युगधर्मधुरन्धर पात्रवरं। वरदाभयदायक पूज्यपदं वरदाभयदायक पूज्यपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्। भजनोर्जित सज्जन संघपतिं पतितादिककारुणिकैकपतिं। भजनोर्जित सज्जन संघपतिं पतितादिककारुणिकैकपतिं। गतिवञ्चित वञ्चकचिन्तपदं गतिवञ्चित वञ्चकचिन्तपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। अतिकोमलकाञ्चन दीर्घतनु तनुनिन्दितं हेममृणालमदं। अतिकोमलकाञ्चन दीर्घतनु निन्दितं हेममृणालमदं। मदनार्बुदवन्दितचन्द्रपदं नार्बुदवन्दितचन्द्रपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। निजसेवकतारक रञ्जिविधु विधुसाहित हुङ्कृतसिंहवरं। निजसेवकतारक रञ्जिविधु वरनागत बालिश छन्दपदं। वरनागत बालिश छन्दपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं। प्रणमामि सदा भक्तवैभव गौरभुवं भुवनेषु विकीर्तित गौरदयं विपुलीकृतवैभव गौरभुवं भुवनेषु विकीर्तित गौरदयं दयनीय गणार्पित गौरपदम् गौरपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं चिरगौरजनाश्रय विश्वगुरुं गुरुगौरकिशोरकं नास्यपरं चिरगौरजनाश्रय विश्वगुरुं गुरुगौरकिशोरकं परमादितभक्तिविनोदपदं परमादितभक्तिविनोदपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रभुरूपसनातं कीर्तिधरं धरणीतलं कीर्तितं जीवकविं प्रभुरूपसनातं कीर्तिधरं धरणीतलं कीर्तितं जीवकविं कविराजनरोत्तमसख्यपदं कविराजनरोत्तमसख्यपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं कृपया हरिकीर्तनं मूर्तिधरं हरमीधरहारक गौरजनं कृपया हरिकीर्तनं मूर्तिधरं हरमीधरहारक गौरजनं जनकाधिकवत्सल स्निग्धपदं जनकाधिकवत्सल स्निग्धपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं शरणागत किङ्कर कल्पतरुं तरुधीकृतधीर मदान्नवरं 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 वरदेन्द्रगणार्चितदिव्यपदं वरदेन्द्रगणार्चितदिव्यपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं परहंसवरं परमार्थपतिं पतितो धरणीकृत वेशयतिं प्रभुपादपदं वृषभानुसुतादयितानुचरं चरणाश्रित रेणुधरस्तमहं वृषभानुसुता चरणाश्रिता वेणुधरस्तमहं
विश्वभानुसुतादयुतानुचरं चरणाश्रिता
वेणुधरस्तमहं महदद्भुतपावन शक्तिपदं महदद्भुतपावन शक्तिपदं महदद्भुतपावन शक्तिपदं
महदद्भुतपावन शक्तिपदं
महदद्भुतपावन शक्तिपदं
महदद्भुतपावन शक्तिपदं
महदद्भुतपावन शक्तिपदं
महदद्भुतपावन शक्तिपदं
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं
प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं
जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय प्रभुपाद
जय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद
जय जगद्गुरु परमाराध्य परमहंस कुलचूड़ामणि श्रीमद् भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर प्रभुपाद की करिय शुभ आविर्भाव पीठ की जय जय आविर्भाव पीठ सेवारत श्री चैतन्य गौरी मठ की जय करिय अधिष्ठात्री श्री विग्रहगण की जय जय जगद्गुरु सपार सत्श्री प्रभुपाद की जय समस्त रूपानुगुरु वर्ग की जय हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय दयाल गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि